got this.
Let's take them out. Let me see. You can just take one out. Let me see it. Ooh, those are nice. Are these yours?
Yeah.
Are these for school?
Yeah.
Nice. I don't think you're gonna be able to put them on. They're kind of hard to put on. Let's
wait till school, okay, Buzzy?
Let's look at the other ones. You have 2 more to open.
Wow.
You got some high tops?
Yeah. These are good fitting.
Take it out. Let mommy see.
Whoa.
Whoa.
They are so much cooler. Let's
They're so much cool.
Yeah. Let's open the next box.
Yeah, these are cool. I like these.
Oh. It's white shoes.
White shoes. Yeah. Oh, I like those. Can you take it out? Let me see.
Whoa. It's so really faster.
Wow, these are nice.
Fast. Okay, there's no more, Buzzy.
What? No more. Oh man.
You want
Yeah.
3 pairs of shoes, dude?
I don't think you need more than 3.
You need either 3 and then you have your Crocs for like fun days.
No, baby. No.
Yeah. Are you happy?
Yeah. Thanks for watching with me.